Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 81, Identifying, Naming, and Drawing Polygons. So all of these shapes shown here are all polygons. Now if you notice, all of these shapes have sides that are line segments, and the line segments enclose a space. Okay, so I have a space that's enclosed in the middle, and then all of the sides are line segments that connect to each other. Polygons look like holding pens for animals. The pens have to have straight sides. An animal can wander anywhere inside the pen, but there's no opening that would allow the animal to wander away. Okay, so if I put like a cow or something in here, or a sheep, or a lion, okay, something in here, okay, it can't go anywhere, okay, because there's no openings, it can't get out. Okay, and that's true with any of these shapes. Now these shapes are not polygons, and they're not polygons because, one, these shapes here, actually most of these shapes, have round sides. Okay, polygons have to have straight sides. Okay, the second one is not a polygon because we have intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines can't make a polygon. And this last one isn't a polygon because it's not enclosed. If I put an animal in here, it could easily leave. Alright, so there are special names for polygons with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 sides. Okay? A triangle that has 3 sides is called a shape with 3 sides is called a triangle. Okay, so any shape that has any polygon that has 3 sides will be called a triangle. Any shape or polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. The word quad means 4, so that's a good way to remember it. Okay. Now notice every shape after the quadrilateral has the word gon in it at the end of it. The word polygon ends with gon, so all the shapes after quadrilateral will have the gon at the end. Okay. Now a shape with 5 sides is called a pentagon. Now the word pent means 5. 6 is a hexagon. Hex means 6. 7 is a heptagon, because hept means 7. 8 is an octagon. Oct means 8. 9 is a nonagon, because non means 9. 10 is a decagon, because dec means 10. 11 is an undecagon, which basically is saying it's 1 plus 10. We have un, which is 1, plus dec, which was 10. A dodecagon is 12, and it's kind of like do, which is 2, plus dec, which is 10, to get 12, dodecagon. After any shape with more than 12 sides is named by the number of sides. So a shape that has 13 sides is just called a 13gon. And anything with 20 sides would be a 20gon. So we just put a gon after the number of sides it has. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to draw these shapes. If you have a geoboard that has the pegs and you use rubber bands on it, you can practice making these shapes with that geoboard. Okay. So if I want to make a triangle, the triangle is going to have 3 sides. And I can do that with just a single rubber band. Okay. So these little dots are representing my dots on a pegboard or a geoboard as they're called. Okay. So we would start and I would connect the dots to make a triangle. And it doesn't want to connect for me, so we're going to just draw it. Okay, so if I draw my triangle, it looks something like that. Okay, I could draw lots of different types of triangles. They have to have 3 sides, but that's the only rule. Oh, and the sides have to touch, of course. It could look like that. It could look like this. All these shapes are triangles. If I want to draw a quadrilateral, then I would need to have 4 sides. Okay. So we could have one that looks like this. Now one thing to note is each of the points of my shape, this is called a vertex, or all of them together, plural is vertices. Now if you notice, the quadrilateral has to have 4 vertices, just like it has 4 sides. And that's true for any quadrilateral. I can make a rectangle as long as I want it, and it's still going to have 4 vertices and 4 sides. A triangle has 3 vertices, right? 1, 2, 3, just like it has 3 sides. Okay. I could make a hexagon with 6 sides. I'm not super good at drawing these, but do our best. Yeah, that's 6 sides. And it has 6 sides. This is a hexagon. 6 sides. And it also has 6 vertices. All right. And that is how we draw different shapes. Thanks for watching.